As you can see, we've changed the brake pads and discs on this vehicle due to brake pad wear and brake disc wear. We've changed the brake disc due of the wear of the brake disc. As you can see, it's got a reach on there, and we cannot skim this because it's on its limit. If we start skimming this, the disc brakes can start cracking, and this can cause serious damages on the brake pads, and you won't have any braking system in place. So as you can see on the brake pad, the reason why we replace it is the brake pad sensor there. Assuming when it's got an open circuit, it lights on an indicator on the dashboard. So we have to replace it ASAP. And on the discs, can be skimmed, but like I said, they're on the limit now. They've done their work for the past 30,000 to 40,000 Ks, and it's time for new safety feature, new pads, new discs.